Welcome to solverfy.
Hello, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are looking at the values of p for which the integral from 0 to 1 x to the power p length x dx converges, right? So here, let's express x to the power p, the length x dx using the integration by parts method. So here we'll have the integral u given, and this will be equals to u times v minus the integral v du. So in choosing u and v, we would actually look at the u as a function that can be differentiated. So we'll pick ln x for that. And now du would be equals to 1 on x dx. All right. We also pick the v as x to the power p dx. Right? So if we take the integral of both sides, we'll have v which is equals to x to the power p plus 1 over p plus 1. Alright. So the whole x to the power p ln x ds can now be expressed as you have u which is ln x times v. So you can have the times ln x that minus v du. So du is 1 on x dx, right? And this is v, so integral p plus 1 on p plus 1 times du is 1 on x dx. So 1 on x dx. All right. So after that, we'll go into putting in the values, the lower bounds and upper bounds, so that we'll be able to estimate that. So the whole of this becomes integral x to the power p on p plus 1, right, dx. And now if we take the integral again, this side we have p plus 1, then p plus 1 ln x, and this side is minus. So this side becomes x p plus 1. There's already p plus 1, and this multiplies p plus 1. Okay. So at this point, if we put in the limits, that is from 0 to 1, we would have x to the power p plus 1 on p plus 1 ln x as 1 point, then minus we have x to the power p plus 1 on p plus 1 all squared. This is from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1. So at this point, if we put 1 in here, you would have, if you put 1 in here, would have ln x, all right, ln 1 that equals to 0, and that goes to 0. And if you put in 0, we have 0 to the power p plus 1, so the whole thing also goes to 0. So this side is actually 0 minus 0, right? Then minus this part. This part, if you put in 1, you're going to have 1 p plus 1 on p plus 1 squared. Then if you put in 0, we're going to have 0 to the power p plus 1 on p plus 1 squared. And this side will have a negative to have negative 1 on p plus 1 all squared. All right. So this is the integral from 1 to 0 s to the power p ln x dx is finally equals to negative 1 on p plus 1 squared. So the whole of this converges when p is greater than negative 1. If p is greater than negative 1, then the whole of this will converge. All right. So thanks for your time. This is the end of the lesson.